Hello, everyone. Hello. Is this on? Is this on? Hello, okay. It's Gru, greatest villain in all the world. Here to read you the Sleepy Kitten book. And Kevin, you sit over there. You're in trouble now. You sit over next to Larry. You're almost grounded. This close to being grounded. This close. Okay, we are going to read the 3 Sleepy Kittens. Sit like gentlemen. It's a very serious book. So you sit there. No, you cannot sit on my lap. No. So the 3 Sleepy Kittens. All right, here we go. The 3 little kittens loved to play. They had fun in the sun all day. Then their mother came out and said, "Time for kittens to go to bed." 3 little kittens started to bawl. "Mommy, we're not tired at all." Their mother smiled and said with a purr, "Fine, but at least you should brush your fur." Any kid, no, girls, no, unicorn. I am reading the book. I'll have time for you later. Go sit down next to Larry and Dave. They're in trouble. 3 little kittens with fur all brushed said, "We can't sleep. We feel too rushed." Their mother replied with a voice like silk, "Fine, but at least you should drink your milk." So there they go, they drink the milk, and then they have the little white mustache, and they're all full with the milk. Okay. Oh, such a long book. 3 little kittens with milk all gone rubbed their eyes and started to yawn. "We can't sleep. We can't even try." Then their mother sang a lullaby, and there's them. They're enjoying the lullaby from their mother. "Good night, kittens. Close your eyes. Sleep in peace until you rise. Through while you sleep, we are apart. Your mommy loves you with all of her heart." And they're all sleeping like the good little kittens that they should be. Okay, that was the 3 Sleepy Kittens. Dave? Where is Dave? Where did I told you to what? Dave, give me. No, I don't care. It's the fart gun. Dave! Where is Dave?